welcome to another episode of EMA Cloud Rants, today with Jim Bugwadia from Nirmata. And Jim, today everything is about containers and Kubernetes, right? But tomorrow, based on what I hope and think, and I used to be a programmer right at the beginning of my career, everybody should be about FaaS, about functions as a service, or as we call it, serverless computing, because what I really want to do is not worry, not help those damn IT ops guys define an infrastructure, not build patterns even, right? I just want to have this damn thing running. How does this fit in your application platform?
Yes, so the way we see it is Kubernetes, which is something that Nirmata adopts and builds on, provides an underlying solution, a tool set, which can be used for container services, container as a service, or for platform as a service, and even functions as a service, right? So ultimately, a function as a service solution will run the function in a container. And Kubernetes, we believe, is the best way to run and manage containers at enterprise scale.
Yeah, but my staff, for example, cannot operate Kubernetes or deploy it in a meaningful way, right? They can deploy it, but not in a way that I trust that it can run in production. So how does the Nirmata platform help me to be able to do that? And how does it apply to functions as a service?
Yeah, so our philosophy is that software and systems should adapt to humans and not the other way around. Yeah. So we've built Nirmata Ground Up to be a very easy to approach and get started with. We don't assume an implicit knowledge base of Kubernetes, but over time we can reveal details. The software will reveal details, and you have access to the full power of the underlying solution, right? So functions as a service today, there's frameworks like OpenWhisk and others, and all of these are moving towards supporting Kubernetes and running on Kubernetes, and that's how we see the path to functions as a service.
And this is one of the major research findings, that enterprises are really looking for a platform to manage Kubernetes where they don't have to replace their staff or hire 20% more staff. And that's what you are getting at, right? As the staff is learning Kubernetes or learning to operate those applications, you're reducing the complexity, but you're also giving them a view under the cover so that if they want to, they can.
Absolutely.
Pull the levers.
So the details are always there, and if they want to dig in and kind of get directly to the cluster level details, those are there. But you don't have to, right? So the whole philosophy in Nirmata is a common management and control plane that abstracts things at the application level. But it's only one click away that you can get to the details if needed.
And that is absolutely critical. We have one policy engine, one simplicity layer basically on top of the corporate data center, on top of ECS, on top of all the public cloud services, and that is Nirmata, and that's why we selected Nirmata as EMA's top 3 vendor. Thank you very much, Jim, for your time.
Thank you.